Hi, it's Nathan at Pumaspeed. Just going to take 2 minutes today to show you something new that we've been working alongside Ramair with. It's the new filters that we've got for most of the induction kits that they offer and we offer as well. So I'll just take 2 seconds to show you the filter that they do ordinarily with the kit. It's a foam filter, and obviously you can see the Ramair logo on there. What we've been doing is we've been working alongside them to introduce the new PRORAM filter that they do in all of their kits. So as opposed to the foam filter, it's their new PRORAM filter. So it's made from a synthetic nanofibre, which is corrugated, so obviously it has a larger surface area to increase the airflow, and that will obviously, like I say, increase the airflow, offer a much better induction noise, and we've got those included now as standard with the Mark 8 ST, Mark 8 1 litre, Focus RS, Focus ST Mark 2, ST225 kits, like I say, completely as standard. So if you wanted one of those, we've got them, as you can see on the pallets here, in stock. Mark 8 ST, we've got all colours, black, red, blue, Performance Edition orange. RS, Mark 3, we've got the blue, we've got the black, we've got the red here in stock. So we've got those on sale over Christmas, and we're going to be having them obviously through January into the new year 2021. So make sure you check out the website, pumaspeed.co.uk, and get in touch by social media or email. Thank you very much.